Hi, myself Navaneeth. I'm an EcoSport owner and one of the coordinators of EcoSport Owners Club Kerala. So regarding EcoSport Owners Club Kerala, we are the first car club in India to conduct a meetup of 100 plus similar kind of cars. That means that 100 plus EcoSport, okay. And my relation with Dashcameras.in, that came after the first 100 plus meetup. So we were asking the people on what all accessories or what all things they need actually. And most of the people, they came to us, they were asking us like, okay, Dashcam is one of the important accessory, and why can't you guys find a good deal on Dashcams? So we took it as a challenge, okay. We took it as a challenge. We searched a lot because as a club, they all trust us and we can't simply throw away items to them. We should research, we should find appropriate product, and we should find a good vendor. That is how I reached Dashcameras.in. They are one of the best in market, and they are the number one online dashcam dealers in India. So I'll tell my experience. Till now, I have purchased 450 plus cameras from Dashcameras.in. My experience, I should tell like, okay. So there are a couple of things. One is like, we will buy something, we'll give it to the customer. Here customer is our club members. So we'll give it to the customer and we'll leave it as it is. But here we cannot do that, okay. So the most important thing what we needed was after sale support, and I should be telling that these guys, Dashcameras.in, they are awesome. Why? Because for 1 year they are giving us replacement warranty for all the cameras, okay. That was my first thought on going for them. So I had found their number. This is how I came into Dash Cameras. I had found their number. I contacted Senthil sir as well as Giri. Both are the main pillars of Dashcameras.in. So first of all, I had a discussion with them. I told them what I expect and what I want. To my expect, okay. They were ready to support us, and they took all my orders. And that is what, 450 plus cams till date, and they deliver it with prompt. Why? Because if I place the order today, it will be shipped on that day or very next day, and within 2 to 4 business days it will reach the customer. And if something happens to the dashcam within the warranty period of 1 year, okay, what we do is, I'll contact them directly. I'll tell that this customer is having issue. Within 24 hours, what they'll do is, they'll contact the customer, they'll take it back, okay. Mind it, they'll take it back. We no need to pay anything out of that. They'll arrange the shipment back, pickup. Vendor, the pickup guy will come, they'll do the pickup, and vendor will check it for a day. What is the issue? Vendor in the sense, Dashcameras.in. If they found that that is a genuine issue, spot replacement was given. And why I am telling is like was given because out of this 450, we all know these are electronic devices, right? I have got couple of replacements, and that too with prompt. I don't have anything to worry or that. It was completely hassle free. That is why I recommend Dashcameras.in. Even they are giving us the best in market price, okay, which I promise that you guys also will get. But yeah, you guys also should be prompt in giving the orders also for better price. I gave 450 orders, so I'm getting some good price. So if you are going for some bulk orders, trust me guys, you are going to get best price in market. Dashcameras.in, thanks a lot for the support for all our meetup. Today I am here as part of one of our club meetup, and we have got all the support from Dashcameras.in. I mean, the moment I called them, I asked them that, okay, there is a meetup, please support us. Today we had a stall over here in the meetup place. They came all the way from their warehouse with the dash cameras, with the most exciting 30% off price only for this day. I mean, I should thank them, okay? They came here with a lot of dash cameras, and lot of dash cameras being bought by the members. I'm happy, we are happy, they also might be happy. So guys, if you guys are looking for bulk orders, make sure dashcameras.in is the person to go with. Thanks again, dashcameras.in. Thanks a lot.